If you're vocally pushing, it might be your pecs. Your pec muscles are a vital part of your vocal support system. Some folks find that engaging them helps their sound, while other folks need to work on finding more freedom there. It all depends upon what style, genre, song, quality, register you're going for. So in this video, we'll explore what worked best for you. Before we get started, I want you to choose a piece of text or a shortcut of a song that you're working on, and we're gonna compare two different movements. So let's just actually start relaxed. What does your voice feel like when you're really trying to relax these muscles here? You can just lightly place your hands on your pecs. See if you can minimize any engagement there. And speak or sing your cut. Notice how you did. Now compare that with pressing your hands together, like you're doing a prayer pose, and you're gonna think of engaging your pec muscles. You can also do an imaginary bench press, like this. Keep your arms free, but keep the pecs engaged. Does that help or hinder the sound? Choose which works best for you and then put that into the context of speaking or singing. Let me know in the comments below which one worked best for you, along with any questions. And for more self-assessments on how to explore different ways to deepen your support, make sure you like, subscribe, and follow. As always, if you're experiencing any sort of vocal issues for more than 2 weeks, make sure you see an otolaryngologist or a speech-language pathologist who specializes in voice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.